Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. Guys, in today's video I want to show you a wonderful strategy that can really help you guys to catch up a different candlestick in trading cash 1000 and crash 500. As you can see now that I've entered my trade, and I will show you the reason why I entered this trade. So you guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. You can also like and comment this channel. You can also like and comment on this channel, on this video, and share your experience using different strategy on this channel. And guys, as you can see, this is just $5 account, and I'll be able to grow it up to $15 account. Currently now we have a trade that is running, so I'm going to show you this particular strategy, and now it's really working for me, so for you guys to also set it up on your phone. So guys, this strategy only works on crash 1000 and crash 500. So before I show you the settings of this strategy, let me show you how this strategy works. So what you only need to identify is to identify your oscillator, which is the green line here, and you also need to identify your two moving average, which is the moving average 50 and moving average of 100. So guys, don't worry, I'm going to show you the settings of this channel. I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy. Just watch this video to the end and listen to the rules that guide this strategy. So guys, what you only need to do when you want to apply this strategy is anytime you are having your two moving average that is crossing the oscillator line, this is the right time for you to enter your trade. But before you can enter your trade, you must need to confirm your oscillator that went below the 10 level, or it is on 10 level. So when this entry is confirmed, then you wait for your two moving average to enter this to be able to cross this oscillator line. Then this is the right time for you to catch up your you catch up your candle with this strategy. So guys, this is a strategy whereby you can catch up to 10 candlestick with this strategy. So it's happen time to time in the markets. And also you can also use this strategy to catch up a spike, but we are not talking about that yet. But exactly, I'm going to teach you how you can use this strategy to take up to 10 to 20 candles using this strategy. So guys, what you need to first confirm is to confirm your oscillator line that we always went below the 10 level. It will went below the 10 level or is on 10 level. That's your first confirmation. Then your second confirmation is for you to wait for the two moving average to cross over the oscillator line, which is this particular level. So it's going to find it at this particular level, and that particular level will be your stop loss. So, and you can keep on counting your candle until you reach your 10 candlestick, then you are out of the market. So guys, let me show you another one that you need to know. So this particular you see, you need to confirm it. You see, it's confirmed here and it's also confirmed here. But once it's confirmed here, it was unable, the two moving average was unable to cross this first line. So you have to wait for the two moving average to cross the oscillator line, which is this particular. When you get that, you will find that entry at this level. So you can set up your stop loss to the last spike level, and you can keep on counting your candlestick until you have your complete candlestick. So guys, it works well on crash 1000 and crash 500. I'm going to show you how it works on crash 500. You see same thing happen here. The oscillator went below the 10 level here, and the continue to give us and what a uptrend until there is a what a cross of the two moving average at this level. And if you find that at this level, you see it respect it catch up to 6 candlestick before it give out a reverse, and before it keep on giving us a what a great uptrend. You see that it give us a what a great uptrend. You see, so it's going to respect that level if only you can limit yourself with a 10 or 5 to 10 candlestick anytime this strategy is accurate. So guys, this is exactly what you can do on crash 1000 5-minute time frames. You know how much is going to be on 1-minute time frames. So let me show you how it works on crash 500 so that you guys can see. You see, currently now we're having a trade that is running, and what this trade, why I take this particular trade is when my stochastic went below the 10 level or is on 10 level, then I see that this market is going on a uptrend. So I need to wait for the two moving average to cross above this side, and when they cross, is going to find the entry at this particular area. So you begin to take up your trade until you have up to 5 to 10 candlestick with this strategy. You see, now we are still making our profits in the market. You see, that's exactly how it happens in the market time to time. You see, this particular level also, it went below it, and you wait for the two moving average to cross the that particular line, to cross that stochastic line. So when it crosses it, then you have your entry at that level. You see, now when it crosses it here, it was unable to cross it finish before there is a reverse in the market. You see, there is a reverse here, so he pulled back here, and before giving us a great uptrend to this level. So guys, this strategy is really working, is working perfectly only if you can limit yourself. As you guys know that there's no strategy that is 100% accurate. What you only need to do is to find one, practice it, try it on your demo account before using it on your real account. You see, now I've been able to grow these accounts from 5 to what to $15, guys. So guys, if you're watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. So let me show you the settings of this strategy. So these settings, what you only need is just only 3 strategy. You see, we have the first one, oscillator, stochastic oscillator. We have the period of 50, we have the period of 3, and we have the slowing of 3. We have the price feed of low high, and we have my methods to be simple. Then we have our style to be in this color. You press done. Then you have the moving average, period of 50. We have shift of 0. We have methods to be exponential. We have apply to open. Then you put any color of your choice. You press undone. Then you check the last moving average, which is the period of uptrend, the shift of 0, methods to be exponential, and we have our apply to open. You see, we have our red color here. So you press undone. So by doing this, you will have the same chart the way I show you guys, and you can keep on trading. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also you can also like and comment on this video, share your experience so far using different strategy on this channel. And also you can also join our Telegram group for more updates on boom and crash. Thanks.